Hair loss afflicts millions of people, and not just men, although their hair loss is often the most noticeable. Most women, too, experience some degree of hair loss as they grow older. Watch this video to get solution. 1. Fenugreek. Soak 1 cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and cover with a shower cap. After about 40 minutes, rinse your hair. Follow this remedy every morning for a month. 2. Onion juice. Extract the juice of 1 onion by grating it, and then strain it. Apply the juice directly onto the scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then wash it off. Finally, shampoo your hair. 3. Almond oil. Take a sufficient amount of almond oil. Apply it to your hair and your scalp. Use a shower cap to cover your hair, and let it sit overnight. Rinse it off with your shampoo and conditioner in the morning. 4. Lemon. Squeeze 2 or 3 lemons to get its juice. Add the lemon juice in a cup of warm water. Use this mixture as a hair rinse. Massage your hair and your scalp. Leave the mixture of lemon and water on your hair for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. 5. Arnica. Add arnica tincture in warm water. Use the solution to rinse your hair. Massage your hair and your scalp gently. This treatment should be repeated twice or thrice a week. If you have any beauty-related question, then comment. If you like the video, thumbs up and share with your friend. If you want to see more video, then subscribe the channel and stay with us.